Amazon home hacks. If you're sick of seeing hair on your shower walls, grab this gadget that traps all of the hair in one place and easily is removable to clean and reattach. Amazon home hacks. Prevent your air vents from collecting pet food, household items, small toys, and jewelry with these magnetic screen covers. And I love that this rental-friendly gadget only takes a few seconds to put on.
My top 3 recent products, part 1. Number 3 is the clip-on strainer. It is handy, easy to use and works very well. Number 2 is the confidential cover stamp. Because it is satisfying to use. Great to use before throwing letters in the bin. Number 1 is the bag sealer. Because it creates a great, airtight seal on any open bag. Keeps food fresh and good as new. Follow for more.
Amazon kitchen hacks. This bread dispenser keeps your bread fresh longer, keeps your slices right at the top for easy access, and prevents your loaf from getting smashed in the pantry. And if your trash bag doesn't stay put, these hooks will always keep your bag in place no matter how heavy it gets, preventing messes and spills at the bottom of your trash can. Amazon home hack. Say goodbye to dustpans forever with this 2-in-1 cordless broom with a built-in vacuum. The broom is super lightweight and gets a full charge in less than a half hour. To activate the vacuum, simply press the nozzle to the ground and the vacuum creates a powerful and accurate suction. This gadget holds up to 1 cup of dust and debris and the eject button releases it straight into the trash.
Amazon finds.
This first one makes me so happy. There's nothing worse than having to handle a toilet seat with your bare hands. So I bought this pack of 4 pastel toilet seat lifters that allow you to lift or lower the toilet seat without getting bacteria directly on your hands. Next, I have scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed our tile in our shower to make it look bright again, but even though it's clean, it never returned to its original white shade. I decided to pick up one of these recoloring grout pens and it has completely transformed our shower. It literally looks brand new. And lastly, our set of silicone hair drain stoppers have ridges around the exterior of the ring to catch any shedding hair before it washes.
Gadget you didn't know you needed, but it's actually so helpful. This little phone mount sticks directly on the back of your computer or laptop and is magnetic. It comes with little magnets that you can stick on the back of your phone. So if you're working and need to be glancing back and forth at your phone a lot or just need easy access to it, it's just right there on the side of your computer. It's also really helpful for FaceTime calls or if you're watching shows and comes in different colors.